Hello, good evening. I'm doing this video for my friend. Okay, let's talk about RC. So RC is actually a therapeutic grade oil from Young Living. What is it good for and what RC essential oil used for, as you can see from the screen, for colds and flu, bronchitis, sore throats, sinuses, coughs, respiratory congestion, relieves allergies, for example, like hay fever. Besides that, for lung infections like cough and have phlegm and things like that, cold sores, mucus when you got like runny nose and all these things, blockage is good to relieve, clear the airway, and also it's good for muscle release if you use RC and dilute with a carry oil for body massage. It's also suitable for to relieve muscle pain, which is bone spurts, for example, teenage people. Right. Maybe we can talk about how to use it because my friend really want me to demonstrate it. So normally for people who don't have skin sensitivity, because it's therapeutic grade, for me, it's fine. But I still recommend you dilute it like 1:1 to any plant-based carrier oil. You can use almond oil, rose oil, jojoba oil, coconut oil, rapeseed oil, olive oil, whatever plant-based oil you have on hand. Just dilute it like 1 teaspoon, or just roughly, it doesn't really matter, like 1 teaspoon size. Just drop it on your palm and then put 1 or 2 drops into your palm, rub and mix. And once you do that, and you just rub it on your side of your face, like cheekbone area, the side is because this is the pressure point. Okay, for hay fever as well as sinuses here, just push up. You can do it like 5 to 10 times like that. It's a bit like doing a facial like that. Okay. And another pressure point is the back of both ears at the back. It doesn't really, it's the jaw bones here, okay? The back here. And then you can put another drop and then a little bit oil, or even just 1 drop because your hand would already have oil, okay? So you can just add on another drop, rub, and then do it like that, like up and down, massage for, say, well, it doesn't really matter, 10 times. 20 times, as long as you feel comfortable. Another pressure point is the back of the neck. Okay, the back of the neck. There, okay. Another drop, and then just rub and do it here. For people who have sinuses or, even hay fever, here as well. This is also another pressure point to go up the forehead. So after you've done that, you can just breathe in. Breathe in and out, just relax and sit there for 5 minutes. And then you would feel the relief of the hay fever symptoms like runny nose, tearful eyes, sore throat and things. Okay, I forgot about this. You can also put in here for, because sometimes it's like my husband last time, he mowed the grass last month and he got like hay fever symptoms with the pollens and the grass and stuff. So I also put the RC oil as well here, another drop to mix with the oil. Just put it here, massage, and also the top of the chest. Okay, so that really helps. It's not just my husband, and also 2 of my family relatives. My brother-in-law, sister-in-law, they both have hay fever symptoms. They came last week, and I did the magic for them. And in 5 minutes, they say, wow, it works. Yeah, it does work because it is therapeutic grade. I probably need to do another video to talk about what's meant by therapeutic grade and how does it compare to other, let's say, organic oils on the market, or what's the difference and why we have to use therapeutic grade. So for now, I can maybe, shall I talk about this? Maybe I shall leave it for another time. Okay, let's wait for another time.